In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox low memory warning message on iPad or iPhone. The first thing you need to do is check your phone's storage to make sure Roblox has enough room. So come into your settings and scroll down and press on General. Scroll down again to where it says iPhone storage and open it up. As you can see, I have 38 gigabytes left, which is more than enough to run Roblox smoothly. But if you have less than 5 gigabytes, then it's recommended that you delete some apps that you don't use. After that, we're gonna shut down our background apps by swiping up, and that will show a list of all background apps that are running on your phone. So the only ones you want open are Roblox. So if you just simply swipe up and close down all these other apps, as they take up your phone's processing power, which you want to go to Roblox. So close them all down. After you've done that, you need to turn off the background app refresh by going into settings and select background app refresh. As you can see, it's turned on, which means all these apps will refresh in the background, which you want to turn off. So press on it and turn it off. The next thing that we're going to do is make sure you have an updated version of Roblox. So come to the App Store and search for Roblox. Press on it without opening it, like this, and make sure that it says open instead of update. The next thing you need to do is restart your phone in order to clear the temporary cache files. And ultimately, if this doesn't work, you might need to upgrade your phone to one with a better RAM. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.